AP English class, we read the book Waiting for Godot, and that's what we made the play from. We basically like mimicked Waiting for Godot, but in a different version. Like there's one with Alzheimer's, there's another one with the trains, and then there's one with the Muslim van. For Waiting for Godot, the message, well, you can interpret it anyway. The message of waiting for something or someone that never actually comes. Being able to interpret it any way possible is really important, because it could be anything political or something that's happening in our current country, like the Muslim ban. The connections to real life events is important.
And the interesting thing about the play is that it doesn't emphasize a sense of direction. All it emphasizes is like its focus on many different themes like companionship. And one thing that's interesting, the book leaves many things up into like interpretation, right? From the book you could get themes of depression, loneliness, isolation. What's interesting most of all is how our teacher Lara chose to introduce the play to us. And she told us on that day, towards the end of class, saying, write about nothing. That's where the interesting part lies. Because in writing about nothing, you're writing about something. And when you're thinking about nothing, many things can come to mind. Different philosophies and stuff like that. And that's just really interesting when you think about how the play presents its dialogue to us. And that's what I just personally love about the play.